Hello guys, welcome to Airdrop Ninja YouTube channel. Hope you all doing great. Today in this video we are doing a quick review of Bitget exchange. So let's get started. Bitget was established in 2018 and its headquarters is located in Singapore. It is a global leading cryptocurrency derivative. In CoinGecko, it stands at 5th rank for derivatives exchange ranking and top 3 in some countries. Bitget is a global leading cryptocurrency with over 1.5 million registered users worldwide. Bitget is official partner of Italian football team Juventus. Recently Bitget announces CSGO, PGL, Major Stockholm 2021 as its new official partner.
Bitget successfully completed its first King's Cup Global Invitational, KCGI,
with a round competition of 7,467 traders. Register from the link below and get reward 250,000 USDT from Bitget. First 1,000 people will get 5 USDT. Also, deposit not less than 100 USDT and transfer to futures account, and you get 20 USDT only for first 1,000 people. Remember, USDT rewards can only be used for futures trading on Bitget. The part you earned, you can withdraw it. Copytrade. Copy trading is a great feature for inexperienced and new traders. If you are a professional trader, then you can also apply to become a trader and let other copy your trade. Bitget is the biggest copy trading platform, with up to 20,000 professional traders on board from all over the world. With few easy steps you can start following and trader and copy his trades with multiple adjusting feature. Copytrade automates your trading by copying the trades of other traders. Copytrade feature lets you learn and earn at the same time. Enjoy your profit.